Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Ideas for Style. So I hope you all are well and doing great. So in today's video I'm sharing with you makeup tutorial. You will try this look on bridal makeup, wedding makeup, or so I hope you like it. And so guys, please support me, do not skip my video, please subscribe to my channel, and please do not miss the end. Very beautiful makeup tutorial. So